Okay guys, welcome back. Now in this video we'll implement the consumer. Okay, so for that we are good with the producer and this is working. We have cross checked here. Okay, so let me close this and here we will write not here, we'll go here. HTTP get get order. Okay, so here we will also return something. Okay, so now let me paste some code here for saving time. Where is the code? So let me paste the code here. Let me format the document. No, we will not go with our schema here as of now. We have to change this to string. It is not getting result. Okay, now here we will need one partition ID and I'll tell you why we need partition ID. Cool, now we are getting error here. What? Cannot convert string to order, where I'm using order. But this should be order. Don't you think so? We need to change this. Hold on, let me cross check here. Yeah, before adding to the result we have to deserialize our message. So for that what we can do, JSON serializer dot deserialize, and this is saying we might get null here. No, to string. And here what we can do, we can take this. Okay, what it is saying, possibly null reference. Not here. Okay, again you can just optimize this code, like keep the configuration on one place and do all this stuff, but I'm not just not doing in this particular video. So same way we have consumer configuration, we just build our consumer. Now there are two things, as we have heard, in our Kafka or Event Hub we have publisher subscriber pub sub model. So as you can see we have consumer here, but we are not subscribing here, we are just assigning here. See, when you subscribe you will your each partition is assigned to a consumer group, to each consumer. Okay, we read that. Where was that? I wrote somewhere. Where? here might be, yeah, as you can see, each partition in a topic or event hub is assigned to one consumer within the group. Or what we can do, we can just define on which consumer group, on which topic. Where's my topic? So we have topic with the name of orders live. Okay, so like on which topic or on which particular partition I want to consume the stream or consume the message. For that we can use the assign, but if we don't want the particular partition, like all the random what they do generally for, like they do in the round robin fashion, but if there is specific topic you want to listen, you can define that, else you will get your messages will be consumed in a round robin fashion. Okay, so same here, we have assigned like orders live, we have one partition or topic there, and we'll pass the partition id, like I believe we are using the 0th partition. We have message count, and let me go to the topics. We have only one partition. Okay, so I'm just defining here which partition I would like to listen. Okay, so next I just created one list for your orders. Okay, and what it will do, I just use like we have to wait 5 seconds until there is a message, wait 5 seconds or get the messages. So I just use the loop. This is simple and straightforward, and just consumer is consuming, and if result is null, then continue and wait 5 seconds and check if there is any message. If there is, log on the console and deserialize it and add it to my list, and I'm just returning my list over there. Let me check, are we good with this? Let me build quickly. One warning. It's like it is saying you are using, should I use await here? I cannot use here. We can make it synchronous. Okay. Okay, so now .NET run. Yeah, it's up. Let me go here. API / order / we have to define the partition. Let me click on send. Waiting. Oh yeah, as you can see on the console, it has consumed 2 messages. Okay, now what if I will define here partition id 1? What we will get? Yeah, we got the exception because there is no partition. Okay, so let me again go to 0 and send the request, because it was break. So okay, now let me go back here, go to messages, okay. Okay, so as you can see, we are getting the messages here and we have consumed that, so there's no new. Okay, so we have consumed the latest message. So here I have mentioned earliest only. Okay, so as we studied, like we are defining the offset there, and yep. So if I have consumed that message, so let me post a new message there. Great, we published a message over there. Let me check. Newest first. It is showing us 2 messages consumed. Aha. But why are we not getting our newest message here? We got the 2 auto response. Yeah. This is the latest message. Okay. Now let me try to consume this. Go to HTTP, send request. As you can see, we have consumed this message. Okay, so we have defined that this particular partition we would like to listen. Okay, so that was simple. In next video we'll see how we can, instead of just assigning, we can use the consumer.subscribe. Okay, so that we'll do in the next video. Or yeah guys, one more thing, if you are getting a little bit from this series, so don't forget to like, subscribe and share. It takes lot of efforts to create a video for you, so I think you should appreciate a little bit. Yeah, thanks.